In this slide, we'll study the time advance property. Let us use the same Fn. We have Fn here. It starts from negative time to positive time. And we perform the unilateral Z transform. So to perform the unilateral Z transform, we wipe out the anti-causal signal and we get the Z transform of Fn Un. Now, we are going to perform time advance. So we have f of n plus n naught Un. So what is n plus n naught? Let us look at this example and we use n naught equals to 2. So basically, we are going to shift the signal right by 2 to get f of n plus n naught, or f of n plus 2. So what happened is that we'll shift the signal 2 samples to the left. This guy goes to here, this guy goes to here, this guy goes to here, and this guy goes to here to get this signal. 1, 1, and of course the third guy goes to this point. Now, what about the anti-causal part? Because we multiply by Un, the anti-causal part goes to 0. So now we have f of n plus n naught. We want to compare the two Z transform. If we have already done a lot of work for f of Z transform of f of n, can we still make use of it for this signal since it is only a time advanced version? Yes, we can. The property says like this: the Z transform of f of n plus n naught Un, basically meaning wiping out the anti-causal part, is simply f of z, the original f of z, multiplied by z n naught, where n naught is the time advance. So this will give us the Z transform of this sequence. What about the one that we have removed, which was originally there? What am I talking about? Well, remember, if we have moved two signals, then this two sequence has disappeared. It has moved to the left hand side and we have multiplied by Un. So this guy is gone, but it's still in f of z. So how do we remove that? Look at this carefully. This expression here is to remove the f of z representation from the original causal part, which has now been moved to the anti-causal part. We have to remove them because we have multiplied the signal by u of n. It's gone. It should not be in the new expression for the Z transform. So when you perform Z transform for time advance, you not only have to deal with the signal that is present in both Fn and f of n plus n naught, you have to get rid of the signals that have been shifted out into the anti-causal side. That's it. Thank you.